Hey, welcome to my front porch in Tennessee. If we've never met before, I'm Zach Foster, and I'm excited about our upcoming workshop on the Quilty Nook with Victoria Vanderlaan called Think Quick. I don't know about you, but sometimes, in the past more so today, I'm happy to report, I find myself second guessing and overthinking the design of a quilt or a project I'm working on. If that sounds like you, I have an idea. Think Quick is an anti-perfectionist improv quilting workshop led by Victoria Vanderlaan, who is going to show us how she just hops on her sewing machine and cranks things out, trusting her gut, listening to her intuition. By the end of this workshop, you're going to not only have a handful of beautifully imperfect improv patchwork quilts, but you'll also learn how to stretch those patchworks onto a canvas frame so that you can just hang it on a wall. It's going to be pretty neat. Along with your Nook membership, because all that's included, you get sew in circles almost every day, a twice monthly challenge called Destroy This Quilt, more on that inside, a book club, a community closet, it's kind of like a thrift shop, but it's free, it's pretty amazing. If you got any questions, hit me up. We would love to have you. On the Nook, we are curious, sometimes a little strange, but we're always loving and we're always warm and supportive. We would love to have you with us. All right, I hope to see you inside. Take care.